guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello gorgeouses. Guess what? I am so excited. I got a package, a very special package at that. I went ahead and removed my shipping labels already. It is partially started for me, that way I can just rip it open. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so excited to what's in this box. Okay, ready? And whoosh. Oh my god. I can't even get the words out. I'm so excited. I need to breathe. Bring it back to center. All right. Guys, guess what? So recently I was checking online and I went to the Morphe.com store. I was looking forward to this particular launch that was happening, and I found out that it leaked online a few minutes early. I think somebody made a uh-oh. But it worked out in my favor because for once, I got one of this person's products on launch day without any issues. The site didn't crash. I had the easiest time checking out, and my package arrived today. Now I had other things in my cart, so I'm gonna put those aside for now because that's not part of this unboxing. That's for another video later on. But guys. This goes aside. Yeah, that's not part of this video. Okay. It's beautiful. I'm at a loss for words. I'm so genuinely excited. Okay. So, in this box, as you can see, Morphe, and I do like that they decorate the inside of the box. I think that's always a very nice touch. I think it just adds a little bit of flair, you know, to just the standard, you know, delivery box. It's, you know, no. Okay. Well, for starters, for placing an order, I actually did get a sample of the Morphe foundation, so I'm curious to try that out and swatch it later. I don't even know if I got the right shade card for me, but we're gonna give that a go later on in a different video. For now, here comes the important part. Oh my god. It is the Jeffree Star Morphe Collab. Not only did I get the brush set, I also got my hands on the sponges, the beauty blenders. I got both without any issues. Morphe, I love you for this. Okay, let's go ahead and rip it open. So first of all, pulling it out of the box, there is just the kind of flimsy plastic wrap all the way around. So let's go ahead and rip that off. Okay. Now, for those of you who are possibly unfamiliar with Jeffree Star, where have you been? No, but really, all jokes aside, Jeffree's iconic color is pink. So it is in the iconic Jeffree Star pink little packaging on the outside. It's just a little slip. It does have the actual Morphe, let me get that closer, the Morphe X Jeffree Star with a picture of Jeffree on there. And of course it has the description, and on the top it has the Morphe logo and a nice little hologram lettering. It's very cute, very bright, very diva. I love it. I actually don't want to throw that out just yet. Oh my god. Oh my god. So exciting. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh, this is cute. So cute. Look. Okay, so even on the makeup bag itself, it has the logo, the Morphe and Jeffree Star collaboration. It is a translucent pink makeup brush kit. It's not a hard shell, so it is flexible plastic, although I don't want it to lose its shape ever. And then also here along the edges, it is that same hologram along the seams for the zipper. So let's go ahead and open her up. And voila. Look at that. You guys see all that? I'm like a kid in a candy store. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay. Whew. Stop fangirling. Stop fangirling. Okay. So all the brushes look like they are individually wrapped, but they are kept in one overall plastic bag. And again, it's just a flimsy plastic. I'm going to go ahead and take that apart now. Go ahead and pull the brushes out of here one at a time. Okay, so if you guys can see that, the handle is also the metallic pink. This is a texture design that's not just a hologram itself. That is actually the shape of the brush. All those grooves there. We do have the little protective cover. Ooh, that's soft. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they are pink. Actually, we can't really tell. It almost looks like it's a very light pink ombre almost. Let's see if we can get that in there. Perhaps it's just my lighting though, I'm not really sure. I don't think so. I think that is an ombre. The light pink to the slightly darker pink here at the edges. And this is the JS1 brush. Get a little picture moment. Okay, anyway, that's enough of that. All right, and next up, ooh, look at this. Ooh, gentle, gentle, gentle. I'll never hurt you, I promise. Okay. Next up we have, okay, so I believe they're going in order. Again, the same handle, the same brush, if you guys can see that. I'll get that pretty close for you guys. And this is the JS2 brush. I can't wait to create and play with these. These look fantastic. Oh my gosh. Okay, so third up is the JS3 brush. And again, it looks like all of the brushes do have the same textured pointed handle here. And again, we do have this brush here, which is the JS3. You guys can see that. Ooh. I think these are to get mixed around. Oh, nope. I still grabbed it in order. JS4. Okay, so up next is the JS4. Now this one is different. This one is actually white. This one, I actually don't know if that's natural or synthetic fibers. But again, here's the JS4 brush. You guys can see that. So this one is actually a white. It's not the pink. So at some point the brushes do change color, which I'm fine with. That's cool. But like I said, the handles all stay the same. That same nice texture all along here. And this one is the JS5. You can see that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just so cute. Just little photo ops. Take them where you can. Got 2 more left for you. All right, let's start with this one. This one is the JS6. You guys can see that, another white one. The JS6 brush. And lastly, ugh, this makes me want eyebrows again. No joke. I mean, I can use the one brush, but the little spoolie for your natural hairs, oh man, that makes me want eyebrows again. So as you can see, it is even a pink little spoolie. That design, handle design, goes all the way through to this side. The little pointer. Now that part, of course, I can still use, but absolutely beautiful. And then of course we have the hard little insert. I'll probably just keep that so it doesn't get dirty on the inside. Now, according to the packaging, I'm so excited. Meet 7 iconic superstars, a jaw-dropping, beat-creating brush collection from our fiercest of fierce babes, Jeffree Star. You'll live for these 7 iconic custom brushes that kick sass and take names. So you better work. All right, so the collection includes JS1, a size queen brush. JS2, a point blank precision brush. JS3, the iconic contour brush. JS4, the fly high brush. JS5, the crease queen brush. JS6 is rule blender brush. 7 is double trouble brush. And of course, the Starstruck bag. How exciting is that, guys? Oh my gosh. And I know it's sold out everywhere now, as far as I know, and I don't know when they're gonna have a restock, but I'll go ahead and throw a link in the description to the 2 sites where I know you can get it from, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics and both the Morphe, and hopefully they'll have a restock soon. For those of you who are unable to get their hands on it, you can go ahead and keep checking in. Now, as well, I was able to also pick up the Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge Trio, and again, it's also the collab from Morphe. How cute are those beauty blenders, though? Just, it's so adorable. 3 custom beauty sponges. Just the first line of this description, this is fantastic. The only BS you need in life is beauty sponges. Yes, hello theme of 2019. The only BS you need is beauty sponges. I absolutely found my motto for the year. The only BS you need is beauty sponges. I don't even want to read beyond that. I think that's it. I think we can just cut. We're done. Okay. But for real, let's read it though. The ultimate threesome. The only BS you need is beauty sponges. Bold and in your face, Jeffree Star is giving you the ultimate beatdown thanks to this limited edition trio. Our iconic highlight and contour beauty sponge got a custom star-worthy makeover. Soak it all in, babe. And I think that's absolutely true. These are, oh, those are cute. I love the color, the cut. I feel like they'd be very easily handheld. Not some of the awkward shapes that I've been seeing. I've been seeing them getting some funky shapes and sizes. I don't even know. But the collection does include a highlight and contour beauty sponge and 2 mini highlight and contour beauty sponges. So let's go ahead and open her up. And this does have tape on both sides, so excuse me while I kind of fidget a little. There we go. Oh my god, the mini one is so adorable. I feel like that's just perfect for the inner. I love an inner eye glow and shine, so that would be just perfect for boop, boop, right in there. By the way, my makeup is done today. I just have a nice, gorgeous big hat on because I can, and I love big hats. And here we go. Oh, how cute. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but it does have the angled cut here, and it's the same on the other side as well. So look at that nice little angle. And it's the same for the little ones as well. The angle on both sides. Okay, no joke. Yeah, I think if you can get that line on there, that would be a perfect wing liner. Like that's like the perfect size, right? Just stamp it on there. I actually kind of want to try it now. Maybe in an upcoming video. Woohoo! So, like I said, I was very lucky to get these on launch day, a little ahead of the actual launch time, but you know, someone's error worked in my favor, so thank you very much. And I believe the sponge trio I know for sure went for under 20. I want to say it was about $16 to $18. I'll have to look that up for sure, and I'll put the actual money amount below. Let's try that again. So the beauty sponges, they retailed for under 20. I'll go ahead and put the amount and the link below to those. And the wonderful, gorgeous brush collection retailed for under $50. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the actual price and the link below as well. Like I said, they are currently sold out. I don't know when a restock is gonna happen, but go ahead and keep checking back those links. And remember, if you guys like today's unboxing, please go ahead and like the video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I want you guys to take care. Don't forget to let your inner beauty shine. And I, of course, will see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.